2025 Aston Martin Vanquish, price $427,700 Zenith. Driven. A new reign of V12 dominance is upon us. The Aston Martin Vanquish, with its class-leading 5.2-liter Twin-Turbo V12 engine, conquers with unmatched power and performance in its class. Its 12 cylinders deliver a unique and exhilarating sound, enhancing the driving experience. Engineered in-house, it delivers the highest ever output from an Aston Martin V12 engine. With 824 horsepower and 738 pound-feet torque and a top speed of 214 miles per hour, this engine is a true colossus of all roads. The new V12 era elevates performance and driving pleasure. Vanquish offers unmatched performance with unrelenting acceleration, instant pedal response, and fluid power. It balances raw power with control, connecting driver and road for an exceptional driving experience. With nearly perfect 50-50 weight distribution, Vanquish achieves optimal balance and poise, ensuring unmatched handling and supreme control. Vanquish stands unrivaled in its rarity. Exclusively crafted, it offers audacious bespoke options from Q by Aston Martin, pushing all personalization limits to the extreme. Each Vanquish becomes a unique, one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Handcrafted detail, revolutionary digital innovation, and boundless originality place Vanquish at the pinnacle of British mastery. Vanquish delivers unmatched performance with its new V12's torque shaping and boost reserve, delivering unrelenting acceleration and powerful surges. Enhanced body stiffness, the longest wheelbase in its category, and advanced ESP ensure comfort, stability, and exceptional control. Stiffer crossmembers, under trays, and a lateral transmission damper improve stability and boost driver confidence during dynamic driving.